If you have 13 apples in one hand and 10 oranges in the other, what do you have? Big hands. Why do hamburgers go to the gym? To get better buns. How can you drop a raw egg onto a concrete floor without cracking it? Any way you want. Concrete floors are very hard to crack. Why couldn't the blonde add 10 plus 5 on a calculator? She couldn't find the 10 button. Why did the blonde tiptoe near the medicine cabinet? Because she didn't want to wake the sleeping pills. Why do the French eat snails? They don't like fast food. Photons have mass? I didn't know that they were Catholic. Scientists have discovered a food that diminishes a woman's sex drive by 90%. It's called a wedding cake. What do cats eat for breakfast? Mice Krispies.